How to restore a wallet on Smart Wallet app. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open Smart Wallet on your device and you will be seeing this type of interface. Go ahead and tap on the wallet settings on the top left hand side and tap on this option of Add Wallet right next to Show Balance. You can find Restore Wallet. Go ahead and tap on Restore Wallet. What you need to do is enter the recovery phrase. Or else, if you have a past phrase, just go ahead and tap on this box over here and enter your past phrase. If you had previously used the Smart Defender, just go ahead and enable this as well and tap on Restore Wallet. You can also scan a QR code or paste your paraphrase option over here. After you do this, you can just go ahead and enter your details and restore your wallet again. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.